In this video, we will show how to create frequency tables using Pandas in Python. So basically, we can use value counts method for the data frames variable to create a simple frequency tables. And we can also use cross-tab function in Pandas for one variable or multiple variables. So we will show several examples in Python. So first we import Pandas and NumPy module. We create a data frame of family members. So you can see the data frame includes 8 observations for family member with the age, gender, city, income, and cost variables. So say if we want to create a frequency for the variable gender in the data frame, so we can use frame brackets with the gender in quotes, so which means we select frames gender column, then use dot value counts parentheses for the method or the function for this variable for calculating the frequency. The result is assigned in the gender counts object. So next we can print this object. So you can see it is actually a Pandas series data object with the columns with the index representing the gender's value for the male and female. So in the value part has the numbers 5, 3 representing the counts for male and female. So if you want to show the type of this object, so it is a Pandas series object. You can also use the function from Pandas. This function is called cross-tab function. Then inside the cross-tab function, inside the parentheses, you can also select frames gender variable, and we set a label for sex, which will be shown in the result. And the whole result will be assigned to an object called a frequencytable. So we can show the result. You see the index here with the gender and female, male, and the result we have the column name has been assigned with the new one called sex, and with the value counts associated with different values for the gender in index. If we show the type of this object, so it is a Pandas data frame object. So if we want to show results in a frequency in proportions, so you can use the result of the frequency table divided by the length of the data frame. So for example, we create with the cross-tab function, then we divide by the length of the data frame. Then we show the result, how it's going. So the result is also a data frame with the same index value, index label, and column label. But the result for the value part has been modified as frequency as proportion. So next we will show how to create two-way frequency table. So it is also called contingency table between two variables. Can also use the cross-tab function, but inside the parentheses, we have to input two variables. So first variable is frame gender, and next variable is frame city. And we show the results. So the result is also data frame, and with the index is for the value of the gender variable, and the column now has two columns representing the two values from city variable in the original data frame. So the value part is contingency of frequency between two of these variables, different value. Thanks for watching.